Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with admin privileges because changing drive letters requires elevated rights. Make a quick backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. Once done, open Start, type Disk Management, and launch the tool labeled Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Make sure to identify the volume you want to change by matching size and label. This prevents accidental edits. Keep another window open with File Explorer so you can cross-reference current drive letters and confirm the correct target before you proceed. Right-click the selected volume and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. This is where you actually assign a new letter. Once the dialog opens, either add or change depending on whether a letter exists. Pick an unused letter that won't conflict with network mappings. Click OK and accept any warnings. Windows will update mount points, but some programs expect fixed paths, so note which apps might break. After applying, refresh File Explorer and check that the new letter appears and the contents are intact before moving on. Complete the process by testing key applications, installers, and shortcuts that reference the drive. Make sure they open files correctly and update configs if necessary. If Windows refuses the change or gives an error, close Explorer windows, stop services locking the volume, or unmount network shares that reference the letter. When problems persist, boot into safe mode or temporarily remove the drive letter, reboot, then reassign it. This often clears locks. One key troubleshooting tip: use Resource Monitor to find processes holding file handles and terminate them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.